So I've been having celery juice for a few months now, and I just did it because everyone was doing it, and I wanted to. I just wanted to try it because I thought it was healthy. For the longest time, I haven't been able to eat bananas or oatmeal. It always gave me terrible heartburn, and I couldn't figure it out. Tried apple cider vinegar and tons of other things, but I just decided, oh, maybe I can't eat them. Maybe I'm allergic or something like that. And probably about a month into celery juicing every day, I was just at the grocery store, and I saw the bananas, and I was just like, I really want a banana. And so I bought a banana and I ate it, and I ate the whole thing, and I got no heartburn. And I was like, what? That's crazy. So then I tried oatmeal. Same thing. I ate a whole bowl of oatmeal, and no heartburn. And then I also tried putting bananas on my oatmeal. No heartburn. I used to have problems with garlic and onion. I like the taste, but it kind of didn't sit right in my gut. But I tried it since I've been drinking celery juice, and I can eat it no problem. I'm not really sure. There isn't really any science behind it. If you look into it, but I think the theory is that it will kill certain pathogens, maybe that are contributing to the heartburn. Also, it helps. The theory is that it helps build your hydrochloric acid, so it helps you digest. Again, this isn't really proven or anything like that. I didn't really realize what it meant to be the medical medium at first. I didn't realize that he got his information from a spirit that talks to him in his ear. But I just tried it, and I'm telling you, it's crazy. So I can actually, the other day I actually ate 18 bananas, no heartburn. So, and I haven't been doing it every day anymore. I've switched to the Green Star Elite juicer because it's a masticating juicer, so it doesn't oxidize the juice, and also it doesn't heat it up as much, and so it preserves more of the nutrition. But for that first couple months I was doing it, I was using a centrifugal juicer, or whatever you call it, and I got the benefits from that. So yeah, give it a try, because I wouldn't have tried it if I would have known first about who the medical medium was, perhaps. But I'm telling you, try it. It's great to be able to eat bananas and oatmeal if I want, or a garlic and onion without the discomfort. I'm wondering if I stopped for 30 days, if maybe I wouldn't be able to eat bananas, or if I'm cured, or whatever that means. But yeah, it seems like it's magic or something. I don't know. So some things you want to consider if you want to try the celery juice. You can use pretty much any juicer. If you don't want to get a juicer, you can use a blender, and then just strain it out with cheesecloth or something like that. I've never done that, but a lot of people are doing that. Make sure you get organic celery. And then also try to wash it in purified water if you can. Sometimes tap water is not super clean. So depending on where you live, you might have really clean tap water. But I like to be safe. I use reverse osmosis to wash mine. So you and the first thing in the morning, you drink the celery juice before you eat anything. Wait 15 to 30 minutes. So it's been about a half hour. So I'm gonna eat a bunch of bananas because I can now, and I've eaten 18 before in a day. I'm just gonna eat. I got a bunch of bananas here. I'm gonna eat as many as I can until I feel full, and then I'm gonna wait a half hour, and we'll see if I get any heartburn. We'll see. I think there's 21 bananas here, so. So these are pretty ripe, but they're not maybe as ripe as I like them to be, but what are you gonna do, right? Bananas are good. I mean, man, and they're like everywhere too. And you're at a gas station, it's like one thing that a gas station might actually have that you can eat. if you're a healthy person. Yeah, because potato chips and beef jerky, not really my thing. Oh my God. How do they do it? Oh yeah, one more thing. I would say the medical medium says to chug it, the celery juice, really quick. I think it's Don Bennett. He's got this health101.org website. He's talking about how we didn't really evolve to get our nutrition from liquids. Liquids, our body thinks it's just water, so it doesn't really need to digest. So I think when I would drink the celery juice, sometimes I feel like it would just get to my intestines a lot faster than when I would take one gulp and kind of chew it or just swish it around in my mouth, mix it with my saliva. And then I feel like it kind of just stayed in my stomach a little longer, which was maybe more comfortable. So I would recommend do the celery juice, but at least swish it around. Take a gulp. Don't chug it. Take a gulp. Swish it around in your mouth. Swallow it. Take another gulp. Take your time with it. Enjoy it. Yeah, same thing with your smoothies or food. Just chew everything you eat. It's part of what you're supposed to, the digestive process. Pretty good. Not many foods you can just eat as they are, and it's great. Still good. Haven't stopped being good yet. Everyone's so afraid. And when they see me eat a ton of bananas, they're like, "You're gonna get potassium poisoning." And yet nobody's worried about anyone drinking, anyone eating at McDonald's 3 times a day. That's fine, but God forbid you eat 10 bananas. My God, don't do it. Because potassium kills. Too good. Too good to stop. All right. So that was I think that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was like 11 bananas. I'm starting to feel pretty full, so I'm just gonna listen to my body. I feel full of bananas, so yeah, I think it used to be like I would eat a bite of banana and I'd get heartburn in like 5 minutes or something like that, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So I'll come back in a half hour and I'll let you know. Man, I'm gonna have one more banana. One more banana. It's funny, you eat fruit and it digests so easily, especially when you do mono fruit meals. It's like you didn't eat anything. It's so crazy. One more. I would have already I'd be having terrible, I can't even imagine what the heartburn would have been like. I might have had to go to the hospital. I don't know what was causing it either. I don't know if it was an allergy or what. Because I didn't get it from tomatoes or oranges or lime or lemon, but bananas and oatmeal. What the hell? I don't know. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 bananas. One more. It's too good. Okay. 14. 14. Now, I feel pretty full. Yeah, I think if I don't want to push myself, but yeah. So I don't have any heartburn. I feel great. I'm still eating the bananas. I'm going to tell myself I'm not going to have any more. The celery juice it's magic or something. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe you could get results from something else, but this really worked for me, so I'd give it a go. I don't think there's any negative side effect from it. I would just say that chewing it makes a lot of sense to me, because you'd never find celery juice in the wild. If you wanted to be really ambitious, you could maybe cut up some celery and like eat the celery in juice, and that way you're like actually chewing. Then your brain would definitely think it needs to absorb the nutrition and not just treat it like water. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys have any, if celery juice has done anything for you. Leave it in the comments, or because if this has helped your heartburn, because I know a lot of people are saying it's all like, there's no science behind it and all that, but it really worked for me. So I don't know why, but it did. I suppose there could have been some sort of other variable that I didn't realize, but it's really the only thing that I changed that month in my routine. I just added the celery juice in. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks, guys.